Torrential slide cost pretty equivalent to $17.1700 a coin in a sort of huge manner. The present exchange cost range, $16.780 to $17.2600 in a significant way. The earlier day close, $16.9300 in an unpretentious way. The change for the most part was plus 0.2400, plus 1.42% in a fundamentally significant way. Opposite rate, USD to Avax, or so they sort of thought. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $16.65, most extreme $17.82, kind of least $15.48, which truly is very critical. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $17.01, by and large most extreme $18.20, truly least $15.82 in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $17.20, most extreme $18.40, truly least $16.00 in a genuinely significant way. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $16.77, fundamentally most extreme $17.94, exceptionally least $15.60 in an essentially significant way. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $16.39, kind of greatest $17.54, essentially least $15.24, or so they really thought. Torrential slide gauge on Monday, May 15, cost $16.31, by and large most extreme $17.45, beautiful least $15.17 in an exceptionally huge way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $16.17, truly most extreme $17.30, certainly least $15.04 in a by and large enormous manner. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost $16.68, genuinely greatest $17.85, kind of least $15.51, which sort of is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $16.26, really greatest $17.40, least $15.12 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days torrential slide estimate on Friday, May 19, cost $16.95, in every practical sense, greatest $18.14, least $15.76 in a genuinely significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $17.01, most extreme $18.20, genuinely least $15.82. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost $16.64, beautiful greatest $17.80, extremely least $15.48, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $16.92, in every practical sense, greatest $18.10, least $15.74, which shows that torrential slide figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $17.01, most extreme $18.20, sort of least $15.82 in a truly significant manner. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, May 25, cost $15.65, sort of greatest $16.75, least $14.55, which by and large is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $15.09, fundamentally greatest $16.15, extremely least $14.03 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $13.50, essentially most extreme $14.45, especially least $12.56 in a very huge way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $13.95, exceptionally greatest $14.93, truly least $12.97, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost $14.19, by and large greatest $15.18, essentially least $13.20 in a truly significant way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $14.99, essentially greatest $16.04, especially least $13.94, which is very critical. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Friday, June 2, cost $14.87, kind of most extreme $15.91, lovely least $13.83, which truly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $15.18, in every way that really matters, greatest $16.24, truly least $14.12, which all things considered, is very huge. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $15.68, kind of greatest $16.78, genuinely least $14.58 in an exceptionally significant way. USD to AVAX conversion scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 0.0582 coins per $1 in every practical sense. Further appearance how the change sort of was plus 0.2400, plus 1.42%, which essentially is genuinely critical. Today, S reach 0.0579 minus 0.0596 in an every practical sense, significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.0591 in a genuinely huge way. Change for now 0.0009, 1.52% in an unobtrusive way. USD to AVAX cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which basically is very huge. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Monday, May 8, cost 0.060 coins, essentially greatest 0.065, least 0.056, really in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to AVAX forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.059 coins, truly greatest 0.063, for the most part least 0.055, or so they really thought. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.058 coins, greatest 0.063, most certainly least 0.054 in a kind of significant manner. USD to AVAX expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.060 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.064, genuinely least 0.056 in a really significant way. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 0.061 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.066, beautiful least 0.057, or so they in a real sense thought. USD to AVAX forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 0.061 coins, truly greatest 0.066, essentially least 0.057, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.062 coins, truly most extreme 0.066, certainly least 0.058, or so they in a real sense thought. USD to AVAX forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost 0.060 coins, essentially most extreme 0.064, especially least 0.056, which truly is genuinely huge. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 0.062 coins, truly most extreme 0.066, really least 0.057 in a by and large huge manner. In about 14 days USD to AVAX forecast on Friday, May 19, cost 0.059 coins, especially greatest 0.063, certainly least 0.055, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost 0.